I left the house, left the room with the foxy on my back and my supplies in a magic bag, and I followed the sound of music, not up a hill, but down to an old wharf shack. Inside I heard the trumpets call, a salute to the champions on the wall, and in the jazz of squalls, and in passion balls she danced. Oh, and the night she looked so fine to me. Oh, I am a man on an odyssey, and so tie me to the mast, I must believe. Oh, wow, nitty-ditty, I just had to look. I said, oh, wow, nitty-ditty, I just said, shook. I singing out, let's go, ring, little black book. Welcome fishes to my foot.
Знаешь, что купил прям куда зайдешь, только должна
Oh, and the tiny chefs, they wave their giant knives, and the dark old minds, they flick down the minds. Still I kept the sight of my desire. Well, it's one thing sure, I'll make no apology. The light still, but you shone like mythology. I must admit, she felt so alive. Oh, diddy-diddy, I just had to look. I said, oh, diddy-diddy, all the six that shook. I singing out that story.
Ты же не соскучишься туда.
For everybody down on the floor as if to pray to the gods of the festival, and there we were in the depths of the wild below. A face so close I could taste the distant shore. She whispered away for the trumpet's call. It's not exactly love, it's to adore. Oh, wow, diddy-diddy, I just had to look. Singing wow, diddy-diddy, how the hips they shook. Singing high-pitched tongue ring, little black book girl. Welcome fish, he's a two-mile hook.
Маленькая собачка. Вот такая важная персона. Ну все, хватит снимать.